Okay guys, today we're going to show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox the easy way, right? When I say the easy way, I mean easy way, less than 5 minutes. Alright, check it out. You go to Google, type in Kali. You hit that link. This is going to be the first link. You go to download Kali Linux, right? You scroll down to the bottom where it says Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. You click this link, right? And you click on this tab here, and you can download either the image or the torrent. I already downloaded it, so I'm just going to skip to that part. So we're going to go in here, Linux, right? And then you double click it, right? Here it is over here. Oh, it says failed to import. I don't know why. Let me double click it again. Click the wrong one, I think. There we go. So you just choose import. You automatically do everything for you. It shouldn't take 3 minutes, but let's see. I might pause the video and get back to you when it's done. Alright, and we're done. See, simple, 1, 2, 3. Let's boot it up just to check. And there you go. That's it, guys.